Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to know exactly what a client needs before your meeting? In this video, I'll show you how to add custom questions to your Calendly booking page to collect the right information every time. First, log into your Calendly account and select the event type you want to edit. Click Edit. Scroll down to the section called Additional Questions or Custom Questions, and click to add a new one. You can choose from different question types. Use a text field for open-ended answers, like what is your biggest challenge? Use multiple choice for specific options, like which service are you most interested in? You can make questions required so the client can't complete the booking without answering them. This ensures you never get an empty form. Their answers will appear directly in the booking confirmation email and in your Calendly dashboard, so you can prepare perfectly for your call. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you've transformed a simple booking into a powerful information-gathering tool that makes your meetings more productive. From the very start, if you add custom questions to your events, let me know what you ask in the comments. See you in the next one.